boy Mike T's back at you with another video. A couple videos ago, I was doing some hat pressing and I had used another brand of vinyl to put on a hat. Well, this time, this is part 2 to that. We're going to use ECONOFLOC. We're going to put the Cleveland C onto a black hat. Oh yeah, and by the way, did I forget to mention the flavor, the color, the pattern of the month? It's right here. This beautiful color. Now, some would call it iridescent. Some would call it chameleon. I call it chameleon. And it's HTV, and you can only get it at ECONOTRANSFERS. So if you would like some of this, please hit my links up down below. But let's get into this hat. All that and more after the intro. So we're just going to put this Cleveland C right on the seam of the hat. And we're going to be doing this a different way. We're not using a hat press today. We're going to stand up right next to the heat press and press up against to see if we can get this to adhere properly to the hat. And I wonder if it'll stop that awful folding that happens. You know, since I don't have a good heat press. Hint, anybody out there want to get me a heat press? Hat press? Hat press? Yeah, okay. So what we're going to do is tape this. Now, if y'all seen any of my videos, you know this is all I rock is the C hat. So I wanted to make myself one since they didn't have the colorway that I got. So I'm going to do a little bit of taping. And we're going to go overboard with the tape. To make sure it stays in position. Tape here. And tape here. Now, as far as the top goes, now's the time to turn around and make sure that I have it where I want it. And I don't. So I turn it back towards myself. I want that C down a little bit lower. About there. Make sure you guys self-adjust out there. I know a lot of you guys are making YouTube videos like me. Sometimes we can look kind of crazy on camera, but hey, that's what it's called for. So I'll be right back with you guys right after I adjust. You have your heat platen at 320. We're going to press for about 10 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds, as long as you're along the cap. Now remember, I got something covering my finger. And this is so I don't have to use my hat press that I already have. We needed to do something new. So I'm going to press this flock onto this hat and see what happens. Once you get it on there, just hold still. Don't be rocking, don't be tilting, don't do a whole bunch of that because it won't adhere correctly. And I'm actually pressing up against the platen. So after I press this completely, I'll be right back with you guys. So as you can see, after I pressed it, it has that velvet smooth feel on it. And it actually rolled the seam of the hat. So, you know, shouts out to Econo once again. I don't think you can go wrong with them. Hit up those affiliate links. And as I said before in the previous video, please pray for my family as we are going through a harsh time. I have affiliate links to the vinyl stand now. HEART&HUSTLE Printing, please check them out. If you would like to try some of that sandy glitter from the other video, check them out. If you would like to get some of the flavor of the month, can't say it enough, ECONOTRANSFERS, check them out. And until the next one, y'all, stay prayed up, stay safe. I'm out.